Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best first aid kits on Amazon. First aid kits contain essential items that allow you to handle everything from an insect bite or laceration to a twisted ankle or minor burn. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Be Smart Get Prepared 110-Piece First Aid Kit. The Be Smart Get Prepared 110-Piece First Aid Kit is another affordable and portable kit for home, office, and vehicle use. The kit meets standards set by the FDA and measures 7.5 into 2.5 into 6.8 inches, so it's easy to store in various places. Users love its small size and its ability to fit into a glove box. The latches lock securely in place, so it won't inadvertently come undone, and the case is strong and impact resistant. It contains items for cleaning wounds, such as alcohol wipes and antiseptic towelettes, as well as bandages, gauze pads, antibiotic ointment, cotton tip applicators, and finger splints. All items are secured in organized compartments. However, the latches can be a little tough to open. Another downside to this first aid kit is that it doesn't include large bandages. Number 2. Johnson & Johnson All-Purpose First Aid Kit. If you're looking for a more affordable option, the Johnson & Johnson All-Purpose First Aid Kit ticks all the right boxes. It contains 140 items to treat burns, cuts, insect bites, and minor wounds, as well as scrapes and rashes. It has things such as bandages, rolled gauze and gauze pads, a cold pack, Bengay, antibiotic cream, Neosporin, anti-itch cream, Benadryl, and acetaminophen caplets, Tylenol Extra Strength. It also includes brand name Band-Aid adhesive bandages and related products. The kit even has 2 pairs of gloves and a first aid informational pamphlet. Overall, it's an excellent value for your money, and it's a great starter first aid kit. One problem with this kit is that the case isn't the best quality and may not hold up well over time. Also, the kit doesn't provide much organization. The items slide around the box, making them hard to locate. Number 3. Protect Life First Aid Kit. The Protect Life First Aid Kit is designed for use while at home, at the office, camping, hiking, and playing sports. It features various items, 200 in all, that will come in handy during a crisis, particularly if you're involved in a natural disaster, such as an earthquake. Contents include adhesive bandages, gauze pads, scissors, gloves, an emergency whistle, an ice pack, and other high-quality components. It's small enough to fit in a vehicle's glove compartment, backpack, or bug-out bag. The hard case keeps the contents safe and secure, and items are easy to access. The red color makes it easy to spot during an emergency, and there's also space for extra items you might need to pack. However, it could use a couple of extra pockets or dividers to keep items better organized. It also lacks antibiotic cream, hydrocortisone, burn gel, and pain relievers. Number 4. Swiss Safe 2-in-1 First Aid Kit 348 pieces. All the supplies come in a heavy-duty hard case built to last and tolerate busy environments. The manufacturer also claims it's the only first aid kit with a double-sided front and back opening. It contains 348 items, including bandages, trauma shears, gauze pads, finger splints, an emergency blanket, an ice pack, and a first aid guidebook. All of the items are organized in 20 easy-to-access compartments. The kit has extra room to add additional items, and it also comes with a bonus, travel-size mini kit with 32 items. The company will also provide a 100% refund if you are not satisfied with its performance. Unfortunately, it doesn't contain items such as acetaminophen, Benadryl, or burn cream. It has space to fit these products, but you have to purchase them separately. Also, the fasteners that close the box are a little flimsy. Number 5. Swiss Safe 2-in-1 First Aid Kit 120-piece. The great thing about the Swiss Safe 2-in-1 First Aid Kit is that it has been updated and upgraded for 2021. It's designed for use at home, at work, and for outdoor emergencies. The kit features 120 medical-grade items, such as bandages, antiseptic wipes, moleskin blister relief, first aid tape, a sewing kit, gauze pads, an ice pack, a CPR mask, and trauma shears. It also comes with a mini first aid pouch with 32 more items for added convenience. The case is sturdy and contains several interior compartments for organization. Like the other Swiss Safe product on this list, it comes with a 100% money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied with the kit. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.